You want to learn how to do this? I got you. It's okay, Oma. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. This is the U-PART wig, and you can also call it a half wig. To make it look shiny and attractive, I mixed leave-in conditioner and water in a spray bottle. But firstly, before weaving the wig, I made a quick cornrow, leaving unweaved hair on the sides of my face. And front of my head, you just want to make the wig look natural.
It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to.
You hook all the clippings in your cornrow. You don't want the wig to fall off in public, trust me. The front middle parting, you can choose to part the lines anyhow you like. My hair wasn't obeying after using the mixtures in my spray bottle, so I used the wax stick to make it the slickness. My hair is long due, it does need to be relaxed. As you can see, I didn't use a hair straightener, just a wax stick, toothed comb, and conditioner which is mixed with water. Guys, if this is what interests you, please subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss out when I upload my new video. And so guys, we are done. This is the final look. This is how it's looking like. Let me know in the comment section how you think it's looking. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.